Frae the Friends and Land I Love by Robert Burns, written to a tune called Carron Side by James Oswald and published in the Scots Musical Museum in 1792. It's a Jacobite song. Frae the friends and land I love, driven by fortune's felly spite, frae my best beloved I rove, never mair to taste delight, never mair maun hope to find his frae toil relief frae care, when remembrance rocks the mind, pleasures but unveil despair. Brightest climes shall mirk appear, Desart, ilka blooming shore, till the fates nae mair severe, friendship, love, and peace restore, till revenge we laurell'd bring our banished hame again, and ilka bonie lad cross the seas and win his ain. Win his ain, win his own. I will go through the words. I'll just anglicize this and read it. From the friends and land I love, driven by fortune's felly spite, fell like a fell swoop, sudden, destructive. From my best beloved I rove, never more to taste delight, never more must hope to find ease from toil, relief from care. When remembrance racks the mind, pleasures but unveil despair. Brightest climes shall mirk appear, mirk, dark. We use the word murky. We Americans. Desert every blooming shore, till the fates no more severe friendship, love, and peace restore, till revenge with laurell'd head bring our banished home again, and each loyal bonnie lad cross the seas and win his ain, win his own.